All right, End of the Line by Traveling Wiburys by request. So we got this cool intro here. We got... Okay, so some tiny little chords coming up in there. First thing though, we have the D string. Then we're gonna go... We have this D chord shape down here, 7, 8, 7. So kind of D chord shape on the 7th fret. We're gonna go. So it's bass, down, up, down. Kind of slide it downwards. 2 Ds down here, almost like a chick kind of a thing before the Ds. See how I got that kind of chick, and then 2 Ds. So. That next one goes up to the 9th fret, and I find this one a little easier than trying to get all these fingers way up here for this 12, 11, 10, 10. That's how he played it on the guitar, but it's a little tough to reach up here. So you can get that same D chord with the open 7, 7, and 10. So I find that one a little easier. So we got... And that little chick or whatever extra kind of strum is not really super necessary either. It's like, you can play it safe like that. Okay, then the last one, go up to the 9, 9, 10, 9 there, D shape, and then this is open, then 12, 12, 10, and then open, 14, 14, 12. So it gets kind of tough up in there to fit your fingers. And then a D shape up here with that D bass. So the last one we got. Okay, so I'll play the whole intro. We got 3, 4. Okay, then we get into the chorus is what we're going to start with. We're going to have D and A and G chords in this tune. So we got... Your basic strum is down, 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 up, but you might go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we got 3, 4. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then D to the A to the G, down, up, down. Okay, so 2, 3, and. D, and then D to A, back to D. So D twice, 2 beats on D, 2 on A, strum on the G, and then the one that goes D to A to back. Okay, so that was our chorus. Well, it's alright. Well, it's alright. Alright. Going to G. So it just alternates. Alright. Now we have an extra D here before we go to the verse. The verse is going to go G twice, D twice, and we'll do that 3 times, back and forth between G to D. Here goes 3rd time. Then we have A for 2. It's alright. Back to the chorus. Okay, so let's do a play along with that chorus there. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. To G. verse, double G's, double D's 3 times, and then a couple A's at the end of that. 2, 3, and. Remember, there's an extra D there, so I might not have mentioned that in the last pass through, but at the end of that chorus you can have the D, extra D, and then you're in your verse. So it just goes back and forth like that between chorus and verse. Remember, there's an extra D at the end of the chorus, and then as we get towards the end of the song, we're going to have a chorus where there won't have an extra D because it's going to do a repeat chorus. So that one would be like 2, 3, and. Right back into the next chorus. All right. So that double chorus doesn't have the extra D at the end, like I say. And then you're back into the next chorus, then that double chorus will have that extra D. So it's. And then that sets up going back to the intro. Take a look at that intro again, intro and outro. So we got bass first, down, up, down, and then slide, 2 hits on the D. And then we took it up to the 9th, hit that D there, or you could hit this D here, or you could just try to hit the 11, 10, 10 right there. So. Again, those were 12, 12, and 10. And you can always hit the D bass with these. 14, 14, 12. All right, end of the line by request, Traveling Wiburys. People have been asking for this one for quite a while, so finally got to it. Hope you dig it. Got a tab with this. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.